Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this picture of a puppy dog and they want to do like a vignette, but they don't want a typical, vignette like that. They want a heart shape, but they want it to be clear. So I kind of came up with this idea. Um, I made a duplicate of the dog. I'm going to bring in and the only problem with this picture is that there's not much room to work with above the puppy dog's head. So what we're going to do, we've got our heart in there perfectly, and I am not going to move it now. I am going to change my nudge factor to like 30 inches, and I am going to control D and make a duplicate. I'm going to take this one and intersect it. That gets me the puppy dog inside of a heart. Then we need it, and remember, do not move it, like that. Do not move it, nudge it so you can nudge it right back. Now we're going to take this heart, and we could make it look better if it was a little bit bigger grass above it. I'm going to control D, and then while holding down the shift key, I'm going to have it grow from the inside. So that's about as big as I can make my heart without getting the white. I'm actually going to nudge the two hearts out of the way for just a second. I am going to take my Smart Fill tool and fill that in, and what that did, it made it one object. Then I will left click, right click, and now I'm going to intersect that. And I get this ring. So I'm going to, an edge. I'm going to take that ring. It's already a bitmap, and go to Effects, Blur, and Gaussian Blur, and you can blur it, as much as you want. There's actually a limit or start going. It won't look very good. So let's say that's good, and now we can take our puppy dog. And if I don't, so I need to talk to a printer sometime. Is that going to print like a fuzzy print if you put it on a, let's say a blue t-shirt? Is it going to look like that printed? That is pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.